the mushroom minute without an advance. Exploring the genus from the first to the last. Cast stems and spores of the rhythmic spinning. Each episode's a journey, let the fungal fun begin. Mushroom minute where the magic unfolds. One genus at a time, the story is told. From deep in the earth to the forest floor. Every minute here is a mycological art. Wide caps of psilocybin's mystic lore. We explore it all, and then some more. In the mushroom network we find our groove. With every spore print, our knowledge improves. So here's to the mushroom minute. Keep it lit with the mushroom network. We never quit. In the world of fungi we take a stand. With the Myco family across the land.
Welcome back, patrons and fungi fanatics, to another enthralling episode of the Mushroom Minute, your go-to source for all things fungi, right here on the Mushroom Network. A big shout out to our viewers on YouTube, Facebook, and Rumble. You're in for a treat today. Today, we've got a fungal superstar lined up, a true marvel of the mushroom world. But hey, before we embark on this spore-tastic journey, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
Oh, yeah.
Liked what you learned or enjoyed our mushroom escapade? Smash that like button and share this video wide and far. Your support is the mycelium that helps our network spread and thrive, enabling us to keep bringing you the most fascinating fungal stories. And don't forget, stick around till the end for some exclusive Myco-Rewards and other exciting surprises. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. All right, mushroom mavens, let's dive into the world of today's featured fungi. In today's Mushroom Minute, we're illuminating the world of the Portobello mushroom, a culinary chameleon also known as the button mushroom in its youthful phase, and as cremini or baby bella when slightly matured. Scientifically hailed as Agaricus Bisporus, this gastronomic gem is a marvel of transformation, evolving from a compact, crisp delight to a broad, succulent sensation. Embark with us on a captivating journey to uncover the secrets behind the Portobello's evolution, revealing why it's celebrated not only as a versatile kitchen ingredient, but also as a star in the vast universe of mycology. Imagine a culinary world without the Portobello mushroom. It's hard, isn't it? This mushroom is a culinary artist, turning every dish into a masterpiece. It's not just its size, large, imposing, and perfect for a filling meal, but its taste and texture that set it apart. Chefs adore the Portobello for its meaty texture, making it an ideal meat substitute for vegetarian and vegan dishes. Its cap, broad and inviting, is perfect for grilling and stuffing with an assortment of fillings, from cheese and herbs to other vegetables. In stir-fries, the Portobello adds a depth of flavor, absorbing sauces and spices, enriching every bite. It's a mushroom that doesn't just complement a dish, it can redefine it. This transformative ability extends to its use as a pizza topping, where it adds a substantial, savory element. The Portobello's culinary journey is a testament to its versatility, making it a beloved ingredient in kitchens across the globe. Its presence elevates the culinary experience, offering a unique blend of flavors that dance on the palate. In the realm of health, the Portobello mushroom holds a significant place, but it comes with a cautionary note. Esteemed mycologist Paul Stamets has shed light on a critical aspect of this mushroom, the presence of agaricine. This compound, found naturally in portobellos, has been a topic of debate among scientists. While the exact health implications are still being researched, the consensus is clear on one thing: proper cooking is crucial. Cooking these mushrooms significantly reduces the agaricine content, mitigating potential health risks. It's not just about eradicating the compound. Cooking also unlocks the flavors, transforming the mushroom into a culinary delight. Moreover, as the mushroom matures, the levels of agaricine decrease, This means that the larger, mature Portobello caps are not only more flavorful, but potentially safer. Selecting these mature specimens and cooking them well ensures that you can enjoy their taste and nutritional benefits without concern. This knowledge is essential as it empowers consumers to make informed choices, ensuring that the enjoyment of Portobello mushrooms is both safe and satisfying. The Portobello mushroom isn't just a culinary treasure, it's a nutritional powerhouse, particularly when it comes to vitamin D. In an ingenious twist of nature, these mushrooms can synthesize vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, much like humans. This unique feature is more than just a fascinating fact. It's a practical way to enhance the nutritional value of your meals. Simply by placing your Portobello mushrooms in sunlight for just a short period, about an hour or two is ideal, or as little as 15 minutes, you can significantly boost their vitamin D content. This process, triggered by the sun's UV rays, transforms the mushrooms into a rich source of this essential nutrient, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. For those on plant-based diets or looking to increase their vitamin D intake, this is a game changer. It's a simple yet effective method, adding another layer of value to this already versatile mushroom. The vitamin D-enriched Portobello thus becomes more than just a tasty ingredient. It's a component of a healthy diet, contributing to overall well-being. This trick is a testament to the Portobello mushroom's versatility and its role not just in the kitchen, but in our nutritional lives. And that brings us to the end of our Portobello mushroom exploration. But wait, don't go just yet. We have some important info coming up, including a special Myco-Rewards code just for you. So stick around for just another minute or two. Trust me, it's worth it for the goodies we have in store.
Hey there, Spore Superstars! Thank you for tuning in to another fascinating episode of the Mushroom Minute, brought to you by the Mushroom Network. We hope you've enjoyed this mycological journey as much as we loved bringing it to you. If you haven't already, we invite you to become a part of our growing fungal family. How, you ask? Simply by hitting that like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Yes, it's that easy. And guess what? We're not just on YouTube anymore. You can catch us spreading the mushroom love on Rumble, Facebook, and X, in addition to our very own Mushroom Network home. We're growing, just like our favorite fun guy, and we want you to be a part of this exciting growth. So what are you waiting for? Become a free patron today at themushroomnetwork.com. Take a free or paid for mycology course at our Mushroom Academy, or why not shop our marketplace? From top quality mushroom genetics to mycology equipment and supplies, and we now proudly offer custom-made 3D printed mycology items and artwork. If you can dream it, we can design and print it for you now. And please remember, each like, share, and subscribe isn't just a click. It's a powerful spore in our mission to spread knowledge and entertainment about the incredible world of mushrooms. You, our amazing audience, are the mycelium that helps this network thrive and expand. So let's keep the momentum going. Your support is vital. Together, we can continue to explore, educate, and celebrate the fascinating realm of Fun Guy. Because here at the Mushroom Network, it's not just about mushrooms. It's about community, education, and lots of fun. And hey, since you're still here soaking up the fungal facts, we've got a little surprise for you. Ready for it? Here's your exclusive Myco-Rewards code. Consider it a thank you gift for being such a fantastic part of our community. Just head over to the Myco-Rewards Center to redeem your reward. It's our way of saying we're mush, grateful for your support and enthusiasm. You're not just a viewer, you're a vital part of the Mushroom Network mycelium, helping us spread knowledge and joy about the wonderful world of mushrooms. Thank you for being an incredible part of our journey. Stay tuned for more Mushroom Minutes, and until next time, keep spreading the spore love and stay mycologically fabulous!
Oh hey, you're still here. Awesome. I've got something extra for you. You know, all of us here at the Mushroom Network, including the brilliant Nova and our mycologist writers, are super passionate about what we do. But hey, we're human, and we're always looking to learn and grow, just like fungi. We really want to reach and connect with all of you out there, from every corner of the global mycelial network. Your thoughts, your feedback, it's like sunlight to us, helping us thrive and bring better content your way. So please, don't hesitate to get in touch with our small but dedicated family of fungi lovers. We're here to help you advance in mycology, to share knowledge, and to build a community that spans the globe. Your constructive and thoughtful feedback is not just valued, it's essential. It's the spore that could grow into our next big idea or feature in an upcoming episode. Who knows? Your insights might just be the highlight of our next Mushroom Minute. So, from all of us here, thank you for being a part of our journey. Stay curious, stay connected, and let's keep building this amazing network of mycology enthusiasts together. Until next time, keep those spores spreading and those ideas growing.